If Rio can now hold this key moving averages and reclaimed low as support, we're looking for a move back up to the 786, $1.75. And the reason being is that to the left, we see a whole bunch of resistance at this area, looking for a pullback and then using this area as a pivot point for continuation higher. Welcome everyone to this Rio update, an exciting one. In my previous update about 2 days ago, we were moving up into this key level of previous support right over here between $1.28 and $1.34 as resistance. So what should actually happen over here is a rejection. We saw that the direct next day, as you can see on this red candle, we confirmed the 55 as resistance, but when we came down, we didn't actually continue lower. We now had some moving averages underneath us, and in fact with the move up we actually reclaimed those two lost levels. So all that was going on yesterday was a move back down to test and see, are they actually going to hold? Are these levels actually support? And that was proven in yesterday's candle. But we need to see further proof today that it wants to continue to hold the level that we just did yesterday and then look for bullish continuation. I'm going to zoom in quickly because we are actually at the 0.5 Fibonacci, and this is what is stopping us on top of the 55 moving average from this continuation not only to $1.50 but to $1.76. So in order to see a new all-time high for Rio, we need to start working through these levels, and this being the first. So if we could actually continue to hold this newly reclaimed level, let's use this specific one, $1.28. We can hold $1.28 with daily candle closes, we should see this move up to the 786 fib. As there is previous resistance over here, it makes sense that we get a rejection. Now it's all about finding that key level of support. Before we dive into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We're under 50 subscribers away from 9,000 subs, so let's get there as soon as possible. Share the updates in your Telegram chats or over on Twitter. Now at the point of getting to this key level of resistance, a rejection is anticipated. Now there is a whole bunch of support here on the 618 and 65 fib, so it could be a short-term pullback for continuation to $2, this high over here. But it can decide to come down a little bit deeper. For me personally, I just want to see higher lows above this newly reclaimed support, $1.28 to $1.34. So if we got to the 786, we could come down, back down to there. We could come just to here. We could have a little scare where we were holding this, then lost it, then reclaimed it and confirmed its support. So now we're going up higher. Whatever it wants to do, as long as the next low is higher than this newly reclaimed low, this is what needs to happen going forward in order to start working our way back to the previous all-time high. And as you can see, this is an A, B, C correction. Now from this C wave, and it is completed because we have started this move back up, we've reclaimed the lost low and confirmed its support yesterday, as well as holding these moving averages. So we're just looking for that move up to the 786. But this is a completed move down. And with that being the case, we can see by breaking through this golden pocket, flipping it into support, we're looking for these targets over here. So we already have a path that is set by the Fibonacci, confirming this move back up to the previous high, as long as we can push through this golden pocket, because it's actually in fact resistance. I just like what happened yesterday. We're trying to find support so we could break through, and once we've broken through, maintain within it as support. That's between the 0.5 and the 786. We will just use this reclaimed support level, $1.28. So on this movement up, when it comes down, hold $1.28, and then we are looking at our previous high. Okay, at that point, makes sense, it's our previous high, we get a rejection. Then we will look for higher targets beyond that point, as high as $5 to $8 per Rio token. This will be on the move up with Bitcoin heading to 80, 85, and 100k. Guys, that's it from me today. If you want to get educated, if you want to have access to me constantly on a personal basis, consider all the options that I have on my website. The links are down below, whether you want one-to-one mentorship, the Discord community for some group live streams, or my ebook for you to do in your own time. Use the links down below. Catch you over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share so we can get to 9k and with 50 subs away from that.